Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today, I'm going to guide you on how to view recently installed apps in Windows. Whether you are checking on new installations or just curious about recent changes, these steps will help you find your recently installed apps effectively. If this helps, please consider subscribing to the channel for more tech insights. First of all, click on the Start button or press Windows key. And here you will see recently added section at the top of your app list. This section shows 3 newly installed apps. Now normally click on expand and it will give you a more detailed view. If this list doesn't appear, you may need to enable it in the settings. So normally you have to open settings by clicking the gear icon and then click on apps. Now you have to select apps and features. And now use the sort by drop down and choose install date. This will reorder the list to show the most recently installed apps at the top. You can also go to the control panel. Normally you have to type on the start bar search bar control panel. Now go to programs and then click on programs and features. And here sort by the installed on column to see the most recent installation at the top. Normally right click on the blank space and click on sort by and select installed on. And now if you check, you will see recently added apps. These steps will help you easily view recently installed apps on your Windows. That's all about today's topic on how to view recently installed apps in Windows. Please subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more tech tips and tutorials. Allah Hafiz.